Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Halloween glitter for tumblers, the HEMOER Black Glitter. A stunning 100-gram holographic chunky glitter mix that's perfect for all your crafting needs, especially when you want that spooky yet sparkling Halloween vibe. Right out of the jar, this glitter catches your eye with its mixed hexagon chunky and fine flakes, creating an iridescent shine that reflects light beautifully. The combination of chunky and fine glitter pieces adds a dynamic texture that makes your tumblers and crafts stand out, especially when the light hits it just right. Whether you're making resin jewelry, epoxy art, nail designs, or even body and face makeup, this glitter adapts to your creative projects flawlessly. One of the biggest advantages of this product is its versatility. The glitter is made from quality PET material, making it non-toxic and safe for skin applications. So, if you want to add a little sparkle to your Halloween costume or festival makeup, you can use this glitter with confidence knowing it's gentle and easy to remove with just water or a gentle makeup remover. For crafters and DIY enthusiasts, the glitter comes in a user-friendly shaker jar that allows you to control how much glitter you apply with minimal waste. This makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced artists alike, as you can easily manage your projects without mess or hassle. When working with epoxy resin or slime, this glitter blends seamlessly, adding a long-lasting flash that holds up over time without easily falling off. It can also be mixed with paints or glues to give an extra layer of shimmer and shine to your art projects, whether it's for tumblers, phone cases, scrapbooking, or even holiday decorations. The HEMOER Black Glitter is also beautifully packaged, making it a great gift for any craft lover or DIY artist. Each jar comes with an exquisite color label and is packed securely in a strong paper box, perfect for gifting during the Halloween season or any special occasion. If you want to bring sparkle and a touch of magic to your Halloween creations, this glitter is designed to deliver that show-stopping effect. Its holographic quality means it doesn't just sparkle, it shines with multiple colors and dimensions, making your crafts truly pop. Overall, the HEMOER Black Glitter is a must-have for anyone looking to create dazzling, high-quality Halloween tumblers and craft projects that will turn heads. It's safe, easy to use, and versatile enough to be the star ingredient in a wide variety of creative endeavors. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.